All right, look, a wood stove needs wood. Hold on. I also have this doohickey, which is I think it's called the Silky Pocket Boy. It's the Pocket Boy, made in Japan. Wow, look how aggressive these tangs are. I've never used this one before. I've had it for a long time, but I use the other one. Look, wood costs money, all right? And some of us don't have any. So, oh my God. Okay, that's one. Jesus. Just come off you. I think I have enough of the main fuel. I'm not gonna over harvest just for no reason, and I don't want a bunch of wood in my car anyways. But I'm gonna get a couple thinner pieces just so I can get the fire started, all right? And then I think we'll be good. So I'll see you guys in my car. Tis the season. If you've been here last year, you would know that during the cold weather seasons, I install a wood fire stove, pardon me, Apple, into my car. And it's that time of year again. Oh, but Jack, how can you fire a wood stove in your car? How would you get ventilation? Just go ahead and stab a hole right through your roof. Like so. Apple. Don't be rude. So that's kind of what it looks like on the top. I'm a genius. Can you hear the sirens? I hope that's not for me. We're making some baked potatoes. Or I'm gonna try. I haven't ever really done this successfully yet. Let me introduce you to the slowest way to boil water known to man. I wash these at home. They're Idaho potatoes. All right. So that's one. Dos. Tres. Cuatro, amigos. Pop a couple fork stabs into it, like they all say. That's what they recommend. Two, ba, 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 ba. How far do I stab into this? I don't know. I mean, is that enough? Should I do more? Should I go deeper, or does that not matter? Am I just breaking the skin? Whatever. So we're gonna do a little olive oil. Ooh, is that too much? Is that too little? I don't know. Rub it around a little. Whew, that's too much. Now we're gonna do a little sea salt with truffle. Oh God, is that too much? This is such a fun style of cooking. If I can call this cooking, if you don't mind. Boop. Oh, see, we get better every time. We're learning. That's what it's all about. Some salt, sprinkle it instead of dumping it. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe we flip it around a couple more times. That looks good. That looks even better than the first one, and then the first one was a masterpiece. You see what we kind of got going on here? We got a little bit of embers, a lot of coals on the bottom. I guess I'm gonna just pop these suckers in. Oh my God. Is this how you do it? This is not how you do it, right? And again, what exactly am I doing? Is this really a genre of cooking? Is this gonna work? I mean, this potato is way closer than that potato. Maybe I'll knock that over a little too. Oh God, I put out the fire. All right, it should take like an hour under normal campfire circumstances. So I guess I'll check them in an hour. It's 1, so I need to be done by 2. I'm feeling I'm gonna be arrested before 2. But we'll see. We'll see. NYPD is pretty lazy. My water is ever so slowly warming up. Barely. So that is the airflow chamber. See those little 3 dots? You can close and open them to control this. I think this also opens a lever in the back. There's enough fire, enough coals for it to sustain without me like opening and messing with it anymore. You want to see my magnets? Look at that. Certificate of completion, Jack and Apple for Route 66. This thermometer is pretty cool because it works. Got it from the Grand Canyon. This is where it began, the launching pad. That's in like near Chicago somewhere. Oklahoma is beautiful. Texas is, I mean, just one of the greatest states in the world. My van looks so big on this camera lens, right? Also, this folding chair bed gives me a lot of space too. Look at Apple. Are you not having fun? You're like melting. Yeah, that's a good place to sit, Apple. It works. Alright, usually I use the wood stove for heat. It's like 65 right now, but I've used this wood stove to keep me alive during incredibly cold, or as cold as New York weather gets, in snowstorms and the such. It works even without, as you can see, there's no insulation in my car. Of course it would work. There's literally a fire in my car. But in this case, today, we're just gonna cook some potatoes. Try to get out of here without getting arrested. Apple, why do you look so sad? Huh? Don't be sad. Look at you. I've got a lot of time to waste. So you want to see how my bed works? My chair bed? I can show you. I mean, I've shown it in other videos, but I can show you again. Roll the chair forward a little. And then... Bop! Ta-da! It's a bed. Alright, so and then this diagonal part also goes down. There's little legs that pop up from the back. So you see how the thing, I'm not going to lay it all the way down because it's going to burn my bed. But then, I have my regular camping 2-inch like topper, sort of. I lay that on top of the bed as well to make it more comfortable, obviously. No, it should be fine. The Cubic Mini, the stove, contains its heat very well. I mean, you can't touch any of the metal surfaces. That's how I'm boiling the water incredibly slowly, but it is boiling. So you can't touch most pieces, like you can't touch the sides, anywhere the fire is touching, but it does contain the heat pretty well. It said an hour to wait online, but let me have you guys take a look at this. It's been 30 minutes. It actually says 30 minutes to an hour. Maybe I should take it out a little faster because this is really working. It's really cooking. It's happening. We're making baked potatoes. Don't touch that. It's hot. This is so cool. Apple, spin. Alright, it's been about 50 minutes and I'm getting kind of impatient, so we're just gonna start setting it up. Alright, it got hot enough. Not bad. Ooh. Ooh. Now I'm gonna turn down all the vents now. I'm kind of nervous. I smell a little bit of burning, so I hope it's not all like a burnt brick. Alright, well, it's not burnt. What do we do now? I guess we just cut it open, right? Ooh, the skin's got this crisp. I can feel it. Yeah! Oh my God, we're doing something here. Oh, that's a lot of oil. I guess I loaded it up this time. Okay. Oh, this one looks a little darker. Should I flip it over or can I just... Yeah, sure. Is this where the saying hot potato comes from? Yeah. Yeah. My fingers, my hands. It's alright, it's alright. I'm still happy. Alright, last piece. Here we go. I've been waiting for this. This is what I'm really excited about. Let's drop a stick of butter right on top of that piece right there. Same for this big one. Oh my goodness. We're doing it. It's happening. It's happening. We did it! I love it when things work out, but I really never expected. I think this one worked out. That's amazing. Got some tea as well. It's probably a little too dark now. Let me take that out. We did it! High five! Boop. Taste test time? I mean, it's pretty simple. It really is just a potato plus butter, so what could it really taste like? Oh my God. It tastes better than I expected. That's what it tastes like. Can I eat the skin? I don't know if you can, but it tastes good. I should have brought some cheese too, but I really got no complaints, to be honest. It worked out spectacularly. My plan, like I planned for much more disaster than what actually happened. Life is good, you know? Sometimes, oh God, don't eat the butter, hey! God, it's good to be alive. Really, it's worth it, man. Life's worth it. Look at that. The stove is keeping my other potato warm. If you really put your mind to it, there's not a lot of problems that Gorilla Tape can't fix. Yeah, I'm looking forward to going on a trip where the heating element of the wood stove is actually a factor, you know? Even though it's November, it's super warm outside. As you can see, I'm almost kind of sweating from the heat on this thing. Yeah, okay. I hope you enjoyed that video. My cooking, the van, the wood stove. More adventures to come. Thanks for hanging out. Love ya.